Your fridge is spying on you, and it's not alone. In 2025, 70% of US smart devices, from fridges to thermostats, collect data on habits per Statista. AI-powered appliances track usage. When you open the fridge, what you buy. Feeding algorithms for targeted ads. A much-wired report reveals tech firms share this data with third parties, often without clear consent. Privacy risks soar. Cyberattacks on IoT devices jumped 40% in 2024 per Cybersecurity Ventures. Meanwhile, AI like xAI's Grok integrates with home systems, offering convenience but raising surveillance fears. With 68% of Americans wary per Pew. Benefits exist. Smart homes cut energy costs by 15% per Bloomberg, but unchecked data collection threatens autonomy. Regulations lag, leaving users exposed.